Good morning. I'm out here with the Shastina Crew, the yearly Shastina Crew, and we are in Hidden Valley, one of the most magical places on this earth. Yeah, we're gonna do something out here. Hopefully something cool. Started late. There's no snow in the lower part of the mountain.
Going for a hike.
Going for a hike. Don't look down. Still alive. Got over here in trail runners. Basically no snow, but now there's hella snow, so it's sick, but still not as much as we wanted. Yeah, last time we were out here we thought about lightning, but it was so windy we just went Cascade Gulch, and now we want to do lightning again, but it's disconnected. It hates us. What are your thoughts on lightning? On lightning, what's the thoughts?
I don't know, dude. Might not do it. Okay, I might do it.
It's looking a little skinny for Mike.
I'm not sure how many turns I'm gonna be able to get.
3.
3 turns, yeah, probably true. Straight into the rocks. No, we'll assess, and then we'll make a game plan and probably send it, I think.
Sick. Lenticular on Shasta. All right, we have a plan. We're sending it towards lightning and figuring out how it goes. This is literally my first skin since Shastina last year, I believe. Late May. Yeah, we've chosen the left goalie, not the main goalie. Time to strip. I'm gassed. But these couloirs aren't looking as bad anymore, huh, Mike?
Oh, they're looking pretty good. I think we're gonna send it.
Yeah.
Either one. I mean, honestly, the one on the right kind of looks.
I just don't know if we can get to it.
It looks more fun because it's more continuous.
West face someday. Yeah, hopefully I can hit it next weekend if I'm lucky. Ideally. And hopefully find a nice wave to ride, like do one of these half pipes. We've done this traverse our first time up here. I hate this traverse here.
Probably just head straight. Go a little bit underneath these rocks, up to the middle here, and then we're gonna jog left at the top of the rocks. Right below it.
Sick.
Yeah, that's really good. Oh, baby. You can't see anything.
So in the past, we've done that left goalie, taking it across to Cascade Gulch, or up Cascade Gulch, and stayed Cascade Gulch the whole way. This time, we're doing something different. Heading up towards Lightning Bolt Couloir and this big face in front of us. And it's probably for the best because Cascade Gulch, which is one of my favorite runs, is really, really not it. My weekly's coming up, kick turn. We're transitioning. 10,600 feet. Of course, we're in a precarious spot.
I don't need you. I'm a strong woman.
Crampon bag so that your butt doesn't get wet. Pro tip. You can explain why I'm doing this? My binding down to the bottom of Cascade Gulch. So I'm gonna go Glissade and go get it. Great.
So, is it down there? By that patch of rocks.
That was so unfortunate. And we're off. And my Garmin malfunctioned. It's catastrophic moments right now. Yeah, huge full summit. We're having a contemplation right now. These clouds came in, but also it's right there. We're about 800 feet from the top of Lightning Bolt Couloir.
I don't know if it's enough bang for our buck right now.
I know, honestly, it does sound so fun when this was.
If it goes through,
Yeah.
if that went through right there, I'd be all in. See that?
Yeah. So the question really is if we want to save it for when it's more in, or hit it for the novelty when it's
When it's bad.
when it's rocks on all sides. It's been decided. We're doing it.
Plenty of snow in the middle.
Yep. Now we just need Tara to put in an 800-foot booter. 11,400 feet. 11,600. That thing is so close. We made it. 12,000 feet. It might be in a cloud, but it was sick.
GoPro's gonna be in a cloud too.
I know. I'm so bummed by that.
Cut to next scene. GoPro.
This might not be the true summit right here, but we did that last year. And perks of having summited before is you don't have to do it again. So we can check off Lightning Bolt Couloir, at least the uphill. We'll see how this downhill is. If the sun doesn't come back out,
It just gets worse.
it just gets worse, so we should go now. But if the sun's gonna come back out, we wanna wait 10 minutes and then go. Hell yeah, let's go, baby. Oh. Pretty tall still.
It's like about to drop off the end of the world.
I gotta tighten my shoes now, dude. I think I'm gonna have to take this pretty cautious, honestly.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm tired.
Yeah, same.
Hell yeah, Mike.
Yeah, looking good.
Hell yeah. Mike measured it, 38 degrees right here. Yeah, Mike. Yeah, baby. mountain bike? Now we all know we can do 38 degrees if it's soft.
Hell yeah.
Gorgeous day out here.
Yeah, dude. Clouds disappeared right on cue.
That's amazing.
Gorgeous. That was sick, yeah. It's, well, my first couloir.
Hell yeah.
Maybe your first couloir?
Yeah.
Tara's first couloir. Pretty fun to have some sideboards on your ride down the mountain.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's sick.
Okay, that last run was a fun challenge. I'm hoping this one's just fun. Party mountain time. Woo! Woo! Hell yeah, baby. Oh, getting sticky. Yeah, Mike. Definitely getting sticky, dude. Oh yeah, Tara.
Look at our tracks.
Yeah, they're sick.
So fun. Okay, follow Tara.
Oh, it's so sticky. I have to cut all this. Oh, it's so sticky. The primordial soup. It's definitely interesting. Nice. It's just a little sluffy, that's it. Alright, now the traverse out. Hidden Valley. Here we are, back in my favorite place, Hidden Valley. We're trying to grab our shoes right now. Yeah, toss me that. Look at that. That's called Athlete. And just like that, we leave the primordial soup. That is afternoon in Hidden Valley. Well, that's a wrap. I'm here at the sickest little Mount Shasta viewpoint. That's not really well known, but the hike out from Hidden Valley was not fun. Got to the cars, dressed, cruised to Yaks, now called Drizzles, and chatted about how sick the day was. Favorite thing today, Tara?
Seeing Mike crash turns down 38 degrees.
Hell yeah.
My favorite thing was going up the, what's it called?
Lightning Bolt?
Lightning Bolt Couloir. I almost didn't do it. It ended up being really fun.
Just wanted to point out that if I had not dropped my bindings down the mountain and spent 35 minutes getting them, we would not have snowboarded off the summit with sunny skies. So I did good there. Peace.